Hey, good to see you again. I can't believe it's been a month.
Yeah, we checked out Cloudera, and it looks great. But you didn't tell us Hadoop was open source. I think we might just download the bits from Apache and configure Hadoop ourselves. We've got a world-class database team. Why should we subscribe to Cloudera Enterprise?
Because without it, you'll spend weeks or months testing, configuring, and integrating Hadoop. It's actually over a dozen open source projects and extremely complicated to deploy on your own. Cloudera Enterprise includes support, CDH, and Cloudera Manager. I downloaded Cloudera Manager and using its setup wizard deployed CDH in a development cluster in less than 30 minutes. And Cloudera Manager basically manages everything for you. Plus it provides a central view of all cluster activity using heat mapping, proactive health checks, events, and alerts. It doesn't get much easier to monitor a system than that.
Well, that sounds great and all, but what happens when something goes wrong?
Easy. There are powerful diagnostic and reporting tools built into Cloudera Manager. I can pinpoint exactly where an error occurred and drill down into specific details.
Yeah, but it can't possibly solve all your problems.
Good point, but a Cloudera Enterprise subscription includes support. So when I can't find the solution myself, I can send a snapshot of my system to Cloudera showing the time window when the problem occurred, along with all the system config and log files.
Okay, you make some good points.
Yeah, if you decide to do it yourself, you'll end up spending months trying to debug your cluster, relying on chats and mailing lists for help. I'd suggest downloading Cloudera Enterprise free and playing around with the development cluster. You might also want to schedule some consulting time and look into Cloudera University. They offer training classes all over the world. I tell you, there really is no easier way to get started with Hadoop.